be showing a tour around my neighborhood and a recipe. But now, look, my house is over there, and near my house there are mountains, and there's a highway and a railroad track near it. And I'll be showing the tour of our community today. There's a lot of plants and animals in our community, so I'll be showing that today. Follow me. And if you want to keep watching interesting things, keep watching and keep subscribing to my channel. So here we have beautiful plants which have red flowers, and Bruno loves this place a lot. You can see he's very happy. Let's keep going. And these plants are very beautiful. These plants turn into a specific thing, and I'll show you guys that. As you can see, there's the mountains there, and it's so clean around here. The road is clean, so everything is fresh, and it smells. It gives a lot of good smell, and yeah, that's why you should never litter and always clean places. So then you would also have clean things in your community, which you can smell, and it would be very nice in your community too. So here we have the swimming pool. And there's a good, we have a lot of doors in our community swimming pool. And here we have beautiful plants, which are purple. And there are other dogs too, like over there. And we have, as you can see, there are mountains and red trees around our houses. And as you can see, on top of every house, we have a solar panel, which saves a lot of electric bills for the other people who are living in this community. That's why I like this community. Also, Bruno likes it around because there's a lot of things you can do, like playing. And soon we're gonna enter the park and show you guys. It's a very nice park. So hope you guys like it. And here we have some bees and some plants. And here we're at the park. So let's go inside and I'll show you guys how it is. It's so clean, and the grass is very beautiful. Bruno loves it, and yeah. So Bruno loves walking around here, and I'll show you Bruno going down. Such beautiful trees we have, isn't it? There's red with green, even though it's summer. And as you can see, there's a barn on the top of the mountain, which is farmed for fruits and vegetables. So yeah, let me show Bruno going down the slide. So Bruno's gonna go down the slide. And now he's gonna go down the slide. He went down the slide. He likes going down the slide. And he likes playing around here. See, he's playing. He tries to play tag with us. And Bruno, stop there. Hey. So our house is just over here, and look at how beautiful the places are. And the plants are. You can see the mountains. There's a very beautiful view here. As you can see, the mountains are very big, as you can see, and these tall plants also look nice because, and it's not autumn. That's how the plants are in our community. So this is the end of part 1 of showing my community, and there will be more parts. So keep watching my videos and my channel. Thank you. So we're done with the community tour, and now we're gonna move on to the recipe. And so barbecue is very made well in the swimming pool place. So today we're gonna be making veggie barbecue. So now let's take a look for the things we're gonna need for the veggie barbecue. So here we have 1 cup of yogurt, capsicums. Here we have red capsicum and green capsicum, broccoli, onions, beans, chili, carrots, lemon juice, salt, black pepper. Here we have small cut or crushed red chili and green chili, ginger garlic paste, coriander, and potato. Now let's move on to the first step. The first step is to put all the vegetables. Here we're putting the capsicums. And they have to be chopped in a square or big pieces. And now let's put the broccoli. Same square or big pieces. And onions, as you can see, they're also square, and these are big pieces because they can't be chopped into squares. Now let's put the carrots and the chili. So here, now let's put the potatoes. They are in big pieces. Ginger garlic paste. The crushed or small cutted chilies. Salt. Lemon juice. Black pepper. Coriander. And then yogurt. And now let's mix. There you go, now I've mixed it properly. And I love this recipe, and I love to make it at the swimming pool. It's very beautiful. Now let's put it in the barbecue because the barbecue is hot. And I love broccoli a lot. So yeah, let's get started. Now this recipe is very instant because we don't need any marination for this, and we can get started instantly. Let's get started. Let's go. Okay, so here I have a pincher. And now we can grab one by one and put it on this, like this. The chilies are very spicy, just to tell you guys. So don't really give that to kids all the time. But I'd suggest the potato and the broccoli for the kids because they'd probably like it a lot. So now here I put it down, and now let's close it for 5 minutes. And this, have you noticed something? This is a healthy recipe, no oil or anything like that. And that's very nice, and this recipe is very instant because we don't have to marinate it like that. And now let's close it for 5 minutes. So it had just been 5 minutes, but we are gonna close it. And look at the view here. And I just forgot to tell you guys that at the end of the video, I'm gonna go inside the swimming pool, and I'm gonna show you guys some things I'm gonna do. So keep watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have a request, don't forget to type it in the comments below. Thank you very much. After 5 minutes, the barbecue is ready. So we're basically done with the barbecue, but I'll show you guys how to plate it. So we have the plate here. And it has been 5 minutes. So it has been 5 minutes and it's ready. And the pieces, they're black, and as you can see, they'll taste way better than the normal ones. And so now let's move on to the plating because we're basically done. And here we have the plate, and I'll show you guys. Okay, so the barbecue is ready, And the black ones, I'll tell you this, the black ones are way better. So the more blacker, the way better. And you can put pepper or lemon, but I like to put lemon on it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have a request, don't forget to write it in the comments below. Thank you. Now I'm in the swimming pool and I'm going to show you guys till that symbol. I'm going to swim over here. Yeah, I'm going to swim over there. See, watch this. I'm gonna relax on the turtle. I'm gonna relax on the turtle's head. Do you know whose turtle?